Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to connect a PS5 to a DS4. First, make sure your DualShock 4 controller has enough battery life, ideally fully charged, to avoid interruptions during the pairing process. Next, power on your PlayStation 5 console. Once it's booted up, you'll need to access the system's settings. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and successful connection between your two devices. To begin pairing, head to your PlayStation 5 settings, then select Accessories, and finally, Bluetooth Accessories. Now, grab your DualShock 4 controller. You'll need to press and hold both the PlayStation button and the Share button at the same time for about 3 to 5 seconds. The light bar on your DS4 will start flashing quickly, indicating it's in pairing mode. On your PS5 screen, simply select DualShock 4 from the available devices to complete the connection. If you encounter any issues during the wireless pairing, a simple restart of both your PlayStation 5 and DualShock 4 can often resolve the problem. Also, check for any other active Bluetooth devices nearby that might be causing interference. As an alternative, you can connect your DS4 directly using a USB to micro USB cable. Plug one end into your PS5 and the other into your controller. Once connected, press the PlayStation button on the DS4 and it should register immediately. You might wonder why use a DualShock 4 on your PlayStation 5. The primary reason is compatibility with PlayStation 4 games. While the DS4 won't work for PlayStation 5 exclusive titles, it's perfect for enjoying your entire library of PlayStation 4 games, offering that familiar feel and control scheme. This allows you to extend the life of your existing controllers and provides a comfortable option for countless hours of gaming on your new console.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.